Hey Bushy Babes, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute curly unit. This hair is brought to you by West Kiss Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you how to do a full install tutorial and a full review on this unit. So if you're interested in all the above, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this wig bag, I received a wig silk bag, eyelashes, edge control brush, and a bonnet, and of course a elastic band. This unit is a 16-inch medium cap size 13x4 lace wig. She is curly, she is cute, and I can run my fingers through it. She has a very natural hairline, as you can see, with adjustable straps and combs, and a sewed in elastic band for that extra security for you. So before we do a review, I definitely want to show you how I bleached the knots, which I did with quick blue powder, 40 volume developer, a drop of that Rich Adore eggplant color just to help tone those knots, mix that together and create a nice thick consistency. And then I went ahead and got some hairspray and sprayed that hairline generously with some hairspray, combed that back and applied the bleach. I did not leave this bleach on for more than like 10 minutes because the knots did lift very quickly with the foil that I added. I washed it off with some tea tree shampoo and purple conditioner just to help tone those knots again. And this is the next day in this natural curly hair state. It did not tangle whatsoever or shed, which was a good thing, especially for curly hair, which can be, you know, a lot of tangles. And then as you can see, the hairline looks very natural, but I did go ahead and pluck a little bit more of that hairline because I really like a very seamless look. And then I did pluck like a nice widow's peak for a middle part, just because I feel like widow's peak on curly hair just looks very, you know, more natural. Now we're gonna go ahead and install this unit. Don't forget to, you know, add that grease and oil and use a conditioning gel when applying your wigs. It's just gonna help have your hair grow underneath these wigs, because the point of wearing wigs is to, you know, take care of our natural hair under them. These wig caps, by the way, are from Amazon. I linked them down below. They're more thinner, so they're like a stocking cap material, which is going to help adhere to your skin a lot better. It's going to create those seamless melts onto your skin with these wigs. I highly suggest them instead of the thick, bulky ones that kind of are hard to adhere to your skin, especially after using them for quite a long time. So switching these out and trying these new ones can definitely help with your ball cap methods. And then as you can see, I'm adding some powder to the wig cap just so it can have that seamless melt when we apply this unit. I did tighten up the unit a little bit to make sure this wig is secure because we are doing a glueless method. We are using hairspray to lay down the wig, but we are not using glue. So now that we are installing this wig, it's time for a official review on this unit. I haven't done a review in so long, so here we go. I am giving this wig a 7 out of 10. And the reason why is because this unit is very small and it stated it was a medium cap size. So that's my only con I have about this unit, is it's way too small, which made my wig slide back a lot more, and it just is not safe on my edges personally because the wig was small on me. Thank goodness that I did use hairspray because hairspray is more safer than glue. So if I was applying glue to those areas, my edges would have been compromised. But overall, you should, you know, definitely ask the company to size up on these wigs because it's beautiful. I love the texture of this hair. It was very soft, easy to comb through, easy to style. I love this texture on me. It was easy to melt down. Like all I did was melt it with some regular hairspray, and the melt is insane. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp, and I love the extra security of the combs and the straps to this unit so it doesn't fall off of your head. And that is the reason why I gave it a 7 out of 10, because I love everything about it. But when it comes to wigs actually fitting you, that can be a little bit of a problem, because you won't be able to enjoy the wig fully if you can't wear it constantly, you know. So I highly suggest you sizing up. So if it says medium, go for large, girl. If it says small, go for medium. I'd rather you be safe with the bigger cap than a smaller cap, because with the bigger you could definitely work in, sew it down. So as you can see, look, the wig was a little bit pushed back. I look like I have more forehead and more of the side. I don't know if you can really tell, but I could definitely tell, and it was too small for me, and I didn't feel confident enough. So I just highly suggest you guys size up on this wig, because it's such a beautiful wig. And another thing is, you could do a middle part and cover up most of these things, especially if it is a little too small. So that could be another point for them, that if I just do a middle part, which that's exactly what I did. It looks really good. I got a lot of compliments on this wig. Even though I was very like perfectionist about it, being like nitpicking about it. But yeah, it was super easy to install, super easy to customize. And this is the hair after it dried up with that mousse, and it looks so natural. Like, look at how this wig blended into my scalp. Like, it does look like it's growing out of my scalp. So I really actually love this unit. Just want it to be bigger. But thank you so much, West Kids, for letting me try out this unit. And don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.